With the launch of the BoboVR A2 going so well, BoboVR told us, give some away. Now, I kind of soft launched the giveaway. I didn't make much of an announcement back when we did the review. It was just in the comments. So this is telling you now, giveaway only runs till this weekend. So if you want to get in that, especially since they've been sold out since we reviewed them, you haven't been able to get a set, this might be a best chance to get a set right now. So if you want to enter, there is a link in the comments, in the description, and up here in the corner, right up there somewhere, to the Gleam links. You can get entered in those. We still have another Quest 2 being given away right now too, so if you haven't entered in that, you can enter in both of those. I'll leave links to both. Thank you again. It's been an amazing new year. The channel has been growing like crazy since the first, thanks to all of you being here, liking the videos and sharing. So seriously, huge thank you to all of you. Good luck in the giveaway, and I will see you in another reality.